started this, it was quiet. Now it's loud.
Hello from Magic Kingdom.
Yes, we are finally able to go to Tron. Our time is up. We're on our way in. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you ever seen the movie?
No.
Uh-oh.
I have no idea what this is about. Hopefully it's cool. The only thing that I've seen is like how you have to sit on it. So we'll see how that goes.
I know.
It is sunny, so we are wearing our sunglasses. Sorry about that. You might see it in a lot more videos, but our eyes kind of hurt with the sun glaring in your face and you get like hot and humid.
Yeah, for sure. But if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are really glad it's finally here. 3 years in the waiting, or 2 years at least.
And watching all the construction.
Oh, I know.
We have to see the merch.
I know.
Oh, all right.
And it sucks because we're not going to see her until when it gets dark.
We'll have to do that another day.
Yeah, I know. But it is our time. Our phone are ringing saying it's your turn. Go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Here's all the merch. I actually kind of like it. It's kind of nice.
I like the mannequins.
These are pretty cool. A little too heavy for Florida. That's really neat. You have an identity card. No. Here's a Tron shirt. Motorcycle Run, powering up 2023.
Let's say 22. It works with Alexa.
What is it? Oh, that's cool. That's Carol. Here's more merch. It's all like toys and stuff that light up. Oh, that's neat too. Coming back over to Amber. Is that like a pen?
I don't know. It just is limited edition.
It looks like a pen. That's cool. So the magic band that we just showed you is 65, and this is pretty cool too. And that's 18. Ooh, that one's even cooler. And that one is $12. There's a lot of merch. There's not a lot of Spaceship Earth stuff here either. Stuff for kids. That's Carol. And for all you coffee drinkers, they have a coffee cup. Only 2 per person, and they are $25. Never found something. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. $30. Oh, it's see-through too. And here's just a regular magic band over here. And then you have like what looks like a bowling ball, but I think it's probably for the helmet. Found out where my wife is. Oh, that's cool. That's like from the first one. Same thing with this. That's cool. Oh, cool. It lights up. Amber's pushed some things. I can't take her anywhere. Do you have a quarter? Oh, that's cool. I'm rich.
So you can play the game.
Flynn's Arcade.
Ball side.
That's really neat. Yeah. It's very nostalgic. So we totally forgot to review Tron.
Yes. Because it's hot, packed.
Yeah. And close to the ride, there's nowhere quiet to even talk to you guys. So
yeah, it gets pretty loud.
You know, and we don't know how good the sound comes through until after we edit. So.
But anyways, it was a very short ride.
Yeah, I was waiting for 3 years ish for it to be the way it was. I'm slightly disappointed. It was still fun. Right.
But it could be different at night too.
Yeah.
So we have to try it at night and see the difference. It's a weird position to be sitting in anyways because you have to go all the way down. But at least you can move like your legs. The only thing that was very uncomfortable was the handrail. Yeah. Because if you're tightening it or you're sweating, and then like afterwards I had like marks on my hands. And you got to pull it down. Now, if you are of the larger in the middle section, like they may need to assist you.
They will push the thing down and they're like, "Tell me if it hurts," and then they will double check with you to make sure that you're comfortable before they walk off and secure you on the ride. It was a little more uncomfortable for me, but I think the most exciting part, honestly, for me was
just the launch.
Everything else was cool. I mean, it was very Guardians-ish inside the building, the show building, but it wasn't like...
It wasn't to where it's like the ride.
Right.
We wish Guardians was like longer, but then this one, I'm like, oh my gosh. Yeah. We definitely pay for Guardians right now just because we love it so much. But maybe when we ride this at night, it might be different.
Right. All right, so we're going to head back into the park and show you the 100th anniversary merch. Sorry for not shooting this before we left, but enjoy. Oh, they got Moana. And they're about to have a live action. Are you excited about the live action?
Yes and no. Are you?
I don't know, it's too soon. I keep telling Amber it looks good in the hat, but she won't wear one. She has to wear these boring ears.
I'll wear it.
What does she find? Oh, it's a partner statue. That's cool.
Yeah, that's why I stopped.
I wouldn't wear it though.
You were up really? It's like nicer. It seems like it would be like cool.
Yeah, but it's like
$60.
My experience with these shirts though, they get really sticky. So Echo got sick one time in the car and got sick all over Amber's jacket, and we didn't know about it until we got it. So we keep on saying that Echo owes her a Dean jacket. It's in her Katie bank. So they have an Oswald like soccer jersey. That looks really cool. Uh-oh, Amber found a Spirit jersey. Oh, and the 100. I thought she was like talking about the Spirit jersey. This is all they got. Pretty much the same stuff that we've been seeing at the other parks. They have a beach towel?
A beach towel.
Well, that looks cool with all the Fab Five. That's cool.
I don't know how much though.
But that Spirit jersey looks pretty cool. It has like fireworks, and then the fireworks are shaped into little Mickeys, and then they have the Fab Five on the back.
5. There's 7.
7? Oh, I didn't count. See, math is hard.
1, 2. The ears.
And they have the ears too. And they have what looks like the Epcot ball.
Behind you?
Okay, if you are a true Disney fan, you know all about Oswald. And it's 95 years old. I think we might. 35? But his banjo is all crooked.
I know, but they're all different glasses.
So this lamp is over here. Go above Amber. It doesn't look horrible. It's very 50-ish, like 20s-ish. They have PJs. They look like it. I don't know. Look at that. That looks cool. Amber wanted another diffuser for her office. I think I found her one. A diffuser.
Ooh.
Looks pretty cool. I'm glad that they're.
Oh, wait, or do we want a pillow?
Oh, good lord. Which one? Comment down below which one you think we're getting. So they have a souvenir medallion book, which is kind of cool. They have 100 ornaments and keychain. I think those are like for pennies or something.
No, it's a medallion collector book.
So are they coming out with medallions? Wow.
This is 20.
Yeah, I'm a sucker for coins, so I wonder. Okay, Amber, stay over there. We don't need anything for Echo.
No, we do.
No, we don't. In case you didn't know, we don't collar her or do anything like that with our kitty.
She needs a spiritual state.
No, she don't. So they have this lounge fly, but they have Steamboat Willie lounge fly over at Epcot, which I really like. I was trying to get Amber to buy it.
78.
That's $70, so that's cheaper. That's cheaper, don't remember.
It's cheaper if they don't have the ears or like stuff.
Oh. See, I don't know anything about these bags.
Soap
Are we getting soap? You just want the Mickey. Okay, fine. So Amber found another lounge fly. And it's a backpack, but it also looks like a lunchbox though. That's really cool. That's really clever. That's $88 and you get a little coin purse. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool.
It's summer stuff.
So they're not as silky as you would hope, but that's just my preference.
It's a summer.
Oh, this is the summer, but Toy Story.
Toy Story has 14.
They have a beach towel down here as well. What else, lady? Your hands are empty right now. Yes. Well, disappointing the 100-year anniversary merch that they have at the park.
Yeah, I wish there was a lot more. Like, it's a little section and it looks like there's a lot of stuff, but it kind of isn't. There's a lot of 50th left over, so if you're still looking for that, definitely check it out here, at least in Magic Kingdom. For sure.
One of the main park vloggers said that there's a theory that a lot of the 100-year anniversary stuff is going to be at Epcot. So I wonder if that's why, or I don't know. I mean,
or
there's a lot of things.
Slowly
It's only been like 2 weeks.
And then also the monorail still have 50th stuff on them.
Right.
The castle's still gold. They just don't have like the 50th like medallion that was in the middle of it.
That's a little sad.
Yeah, I know.
I am excited that they're using Oswald this year. They have a whole
Year of the Rabbit.
That too. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, for Chinese New Year.
But and I'm also glad that Disney has Oswald. But stay tuned for a future video that we're creating.
Yes. Also, this might be a short video. Sorry.
Yeah.
If you like it, please give it a thumbs up because it kind of puts us higher in the rankings and it helps our algorithm. Let me say that again. It helps our algorithm. That
I like the first one better.
Fucking dumb.
It
helps our algorithm. Use that one. Bleep, bleep.
What do clownfish live in?
Anemones. Say aluminum, cinnamon, and synonym.
You did a great job.
I know.
But guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Sorry if this is short.
But don't forget to subscribe. Definitely have that discussion with your fan members. Please be nice and respectful to each other.
Bye guys.